Y ahora aquí estoy en Tecate, Baja California, México. Entonces es un pueblo muy bonito, chico, pero con mucho tráfico así de la frontera. Han palmas y iglesias y bueno, mucha cosa bonita. Entonces voy a pasar un día aquí y voy un poco más para el sur y en unos 2 o 3 días espero llegar en la playa. All right. Just outside of Guadalupe in wine country. Yeah, riding in Mexico has been super. There's like lane for bikes basically. It's like the slow car lane, but no one ever uses it, so it's just me and the big trucks. Weather's phenomenal. Very hilly. A lot of hills so far. Rode from Tecate to here, about 43 miles, and then tomorrow I'll ride into Ensenada, where I'm staying with the host for a couple of days to get some beach time. And I don't know, my brakes aren't sounding good, so I'm gonna see what we can do there. Camped out kind of close to the highway, but there's like vineyards behind, and yeah, nice little place. All right, here we can see the trail left by a snake across the road. I haven't seen any live snakes while I've been on this stretch, but one dead snake. But still hope. Headed down to the ocean. We got a live snake. Ooh. Pretty cool. This route is real bitch. Making decent progress down the coast. Pretty great little camp spot here. Right on these cliffs. I had a headache for like 3 days. I don't know what the deal is. Probably not eating enough vegetables. And just probably chronic dehydration. But I don't know. I figure the pioneers probably didn't have that much water, so I'll probably get used to it, and the headache will go away. Yeah. Started following this route called the Baja Divide that's put together by some like bike packing maniac dudes. Really horrible roads. Like have to walk my bike a lot, but really nice views. But I'll probably get back to the road because yeah, bike is more of a means to an end for me, you know. I don't love the bike riding itself, but I think this route's for people who love the biking and hate the actual tourism. So, oh, there's a heron. Oh. A lot of birds here. I haven't seen any whales, but I'm along the coast for a while, so hopefully see some whales or dolphins. I had a dream last night that I saw a pack of dolphins, so that's probably a good omen. The last campsite, there were a lot of earwigs, and apparently some got into my food bag when I wasn't looking and tore into this banana that I had, and so the banana juice leaked all over everything. So now there's banana juice on my stuff. I threw the banana over here, and now ants are having a grand old time with it. Where did it go? See a banana? Look at that. Look at all those ants. So, yeah. Pretty fun. Someone's grave is right here. Or a memorial, anyway. So, pretty great spot. There's some cows over there that were on the beach when I woke up. Now they're slowly moving this way, so yeah. I think in my last video I said a pack of dolphins. I want to correct that. It should be a pod of dolphins, I think. All right, I'm climbing up into the Baja de los Cirios, which is this crazy desert area. There's a lot of cacti. Pretty good weather, actually. Not too hot. A little tailwind helping me out on these hills. Very sunny. Very sunny. But yeah, a lot of types of cactus, more than I knew existed. And yeah, I'm on the road for a little bit, and then for like 25 miles, and then I turn off into the back country for like 50 miles or something like that, and then back on the road, and then it's pretty desolate for a while. So pretty cool place to ride though. Scorpion. Oh. Coyotes. A lot of bugs this morning, mostly gnats and little flies. They seem to mostly enjoy this scab, which is pretty weird. But I guess it is dead flesh, so makes sense. So getting a nice early start because I'm tired of bugs. About 40 miles, pretty rough desert stuff today. This is the road that I came down, and this is the road that I go up. Just an insane place though, so cool. Really nice night last night. Built a campfire, just grass and super dry desert wood. And yeah, my stove wasn't working this morning, so cold, well, room temp mate, which you know, whatever, and just eating oatmeal by the mouthful. But such is life. So get into town, see if I can figure out the stove issue, and then yeah. So yesterday when I filled up water, I think it was salty. So I ran through my filter, tasted it, tasted kind of salty, not too bad though. And I figured, sweat a lot, salt's probably good. But as the day has gone on, I've just been gassed and like thirstier and thirstier, no matter how much I drank. So salt water's a no. But I got up to the highway, Was able to get some fresh water now, and yeah, a few miles of road and then shower. All right, so I'm in Catavina now after a pretty long day. Feeling a little better after the whole saltwater incident. I've drank probably a gallon of water since getting here. I've only peed once, so a bit of hydrating left to do. Here till tomorrow, and then gonna hop on a bus actually with the bike and skip a bunch of basically not fun desert, get down to Guerrero Negro, and kick off again there. So yeah, get there, get a haircut, do some laundry, make some plans, and yeah, but we're, surviving.